Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Just a quick update for you today. Nothing too long because tomorrow we will be getting into a deeper video. I'll give you a little preview. Tomorrow I'm going to be looking more into Python, which is very exciting. Definitely stay tuned for that video. But today I ended up taking a little deep dive. I learned a couple of different things. So let's talk about it. I did more of memory and data structures, so that was pretty interesting. I ended up learning the 4 different ways to store sets of data, and those were arrays, linked lists, hash tables, and tries, um, including lots of the variations like trees and heaps and stacks and queues. So let's start with arrays. So arrays are basically they're good for looking up random access and constant time. They're easy to sort and small size for memory wise. Linked list, which has good insertion and deletion. It's actually difficult to sort, but it is smaller in size. We have hash tables, which the deletion is very easy, not the best if you're sorting. And then we have tries, where its deletion is easy, lookup's fast, but becomes like large in memory very fast, and if space is needed, is not the best. After that, I ended up getting into structures, which are kind of seen as super variables. They're used to verify variables together, or unify variables together, and it basically makes it easy to move around. Yeah, that was pretty much it on data structures and structures. I also learned about the hexadecimal system, which is basically 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and then A, B, C, D, E, and F, where A starts at 10 and F goes all the way to 15. So that makes mapping made easy using 4 binary digits. An example of this would be 0, 1, 0, 0, which is equal to 4. And then I also learned about pointers, which allow us to modify the location of where it points. And it provides a copy of the data while passing. So this is done by dereferencing the pointers, and you can use this in C, which is the language I've been using lately, by using a star. So all computers have files that live inside a hard drive or solid state drive. They are only storage for what you have to manipulate in RAM. So you have to move all of that through RAM, as it will inside the RAM it will delete, so it must be saved in a hard drive or solid state drive. And let's go ahead and go over some of the data types and sizes. So for int, that is a size of 4, char is a size of 1, float is a size of 4, double is a size of 8, and long is also a size of 8. So we can now get into more of dynamic memory allocation. So we can use pointers to get memory while it is in the runtime with heap and stack. And we use malloc to get the pointer, and that would be in C. And once you finish working with it, you have to basically free it, or it can cause a data leak, in which say you're using your browser and you notice that things are starting to get slow. That is caused by you not freeing it, where you're closing out of the browser, so it will take longer. Yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed the video today, and definitely stay updated for tomorrow. Have a good one.